I started Carstens Amplification with the goal in mind of designing amplifiers that would inspire me to create music. The War Machine amplifier came about being inspired by late 60s British amplifiers. I really like the overdrive character that they have, but especially at lower volumes they can be really bright and ice-picky. You have bass, treble, middle. You have a preamp volume, which is your gain control, and a master volume. The cleans on the War Machine are really open and transparent. You get sort of a British crunch when you start to turn that gain up. The War Machine takes pedals very, very well, so feel free to run any sort of overdrives, fuzz pedals, delays you want right into the front end of it. From an aesthetic standpoint, a look that's low profile, clean lines, a piece of gear that I would want to own myself, that is inspiring not only sonically but